So as you know, the first video on my YouTube channel was actually a room tour, but we updated it a lot, okay? It's really different. Why are you zooming in on my face? I can see your fingers. Okay, come on.
Hey, baby.
Oh,
I've been
okay,
baby.
why is this in here? Okay, back up. Back it up.
Did you
Back.
have an obsession?
No. Okay, so this is the new room. I think it's pretty flippin' lit. Look, we got boom TV/Xbox. We got Call of Duty for the boys. We got a bunch of different stuff. We got Sean even.
I've been really trying, baby.
I
Okay.
come free with the room.
Oh,
If you would like to purchase,
because that's not.
you can rent for a single day.
It's like
Anyway.
a male hook.
Anyway.
$9.99 a day. But
Okay,
buy
so
the
check
room,
it out.
I'm
Come here.
yours.
Come here. So we got the regular alarm clock, and we have the stylish alarm clock. Look at that.
Oh.
Probably
yeah.
can't see because of the light.
It's stylish because it lights
Because
up.
it lights up.
Yeah.
What has happened?
Dude.
It also doubles as a softball or a dodgeball, depending on how much you don't like.
Oh, look at our Swagatron.
Swagatron 3000. You hit your friends in the shin with it. Sean, come here.
No.
Yo,
Anyway.
Look at those.
Continue.
What are
There
those?
and regular. Okay. Hey, eyes up here. Okay. The light back here was actually just a lamp, but you don't need to know that much. Hey.
Hey, babe.
Sweet home
I'll find
Alabama. Not only are y'all brothers, but that's also gay.
I can't leave because this is my room tour video. Okay. So we got Evangel's side. Okay.
Look how clean and majestic it is.
Moving on. Got trash can.
Oh no.
Apparently we have murderers in the closet.
Oh, hi, Malgaya. How are you?
Howdy.
Oh, well.
It's jammed, dude.
Yep.
Yeah. Anyway, now that he's back in his closet, we got a couch.
Time for me to come out.
We got
You know what
a
I
couch. And we got this thing, which, if you're a loyal sub, you know was in the closet, right? And so now we have this over here. And my gaming setup. Well, not really gaming setup, but editing and crap is now upstairs.
You guys smell that?
You smell that, dude? We got a sleeping bag. Dirty clothes. See those clothes? They're dirty.
That's how we like them. We don't clean them.
Exactly. Thank you.
Ladies, we do
Oh,
clean them.
we got
If you're,
a charging port.
if you're watching
for it.
this, we do clean. We do clean.
We
that
got. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We got a charging port for the Xbox controllers. Okay. We got Evangel's bed.
Oh, you got my bed right here. We forgot to put the light.
Okay. So by now, you've probably seen literally everything there is to see in here. And I think that's gonna wrap up the video. Bye.
I didn't break anything.
Okay, cut the cameras for real. Get on my bed.